more to explore here in Batanes.
That's right, hon. Kaya kung nabitin kayo sa unang part ng aming road trip,
For sure, mas lalo pa kayong mapapawaw sa aming mga pupuntahan this episode.
Thank you, Mami, sa pag-prepare ng lunch namin, ha.
Oh, you're welcome. Of
Mukhang
course,
masarap mga pagkain.
anything for you guys.
It's good to have a twin because, baka sobrang cheesy to. It's like having a best friend.
Aww.
Mabis ka na cry.
because Batanes is full of awesomeness!
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How was your sleep?
Good morning. Yeah, good morning.
Wow! Tulog ka pa ba? Anyway, siya yung huling nagising. How was your sleep, the two of you?
It was good.
Bagsak?
Good morning.
Oh my gosh! Anyway, it's our second day here at Batanes. So for now, kumain muna tayo ng breakfast because we will have a long day today.
Sa amin, yung workout's very important kahit may travel kami. Workout with a breathtaking view? Perfect!
My family and I always work out. We work out every day. And that's actually our way of bonding. Besides like parang watching movies, we work out together.
Ah!
10 squats.
You're so mean! Aray! Oh! Oh my gosh, Datay, I cannot. You want me to fall? I don't like jumping. Please, ulit.
Let's just go straight to jogging.
Itong si Han, umaga pa lang may reklamo na. Mag-sprinting na nga tayo!
Bye, mommy!
Bakit ang hirap? Oh my gosh.
Go, Ani!
Daddy! Bakit ang hirap? Hirap pa?
Alright, nakita niyo yung workout namin? And make sure pag kayo nagbakasyon, meron kayong konting workout. Kagaya nung sprinting na ginawa namin, it's a short burst pero nakakahingal talaga yon and it burns your calories. Yay! So, let's go! Bisa tayo! We are ready to hit the road again for the continuation of our Batan Island tour. Our first stop, ang tinatawag nilang Marlborough Country.
Yeah, we made it!
The view is different here. It's more like seas and then nature. And also the roads are super like, ano yan? Daming curves.
Speechless nga ako eh. Kasi ang ganda, yung parang akala mo sa mga postcards mo lang nakikita, akala mo sa mga pelikula mo lang nakikita, yung pala meron palang gantong klaseng view sa Pilipinas na kailangan lang talaga natin mag-explore.
Habang sobrang amazed ang aking mag-aama sa ganda ng view, ihahanda ko ng aming tanghalian, picnic style. Wow! First time natin mag-picnic. I'm sure matutuwa ang kambal natin ito. Tatay! Kasi, Mami!
Ano ba to, Han?
Guys, alam niyo ba kung anong prepare ko para sa inyo? Ito ang lunyes. Ito yung parang adobo.
Kakaiba ang Ivatan adobo dahil asin at tubig lang ang ingredients. At alam nyo ba na hindi raw ito mapapanis kahit abuti pa ng 1 taon?
Yan, kaya masarap yan. At ito naman yung steak nila. At ito ang uved.
Ang uvod ay gawa naman sa banana stalk. Ito yung laman ng puno ng saging.
Thank you, Mami, sa pag-prepare ng lunch namin, ha.
Oh, you're welcome. Of
Mukhang
course,
masarap mga
anything.
pagkain.
Anything for you guys.
Alright!
Rock and roll. Okay, oh. Ay, kanin.
Ang favorite ko dyan, Han, etong, anong pangalan?
Lunyes.
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 Lunyes. Biyernes.
Martis.
Martes muna. Na-imagine ko dati na magagawa namin yun sa ibang bansa. Dito sa Pilipinas, masarap din pala. Dito sa Batanes, sa Marlboro Country, iba yung feeling na nag-picnic ka sa sarili mong bansa.
Grabe no, the view is so nice.
Tama.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
Picnic plus perfect view. Perfect lunch.
Love it.
It was a new experience and fun experience for me because riding the trike, it was really different because, I don't really get to do it in Manila.
Nakadrive na ako ng tricycle pero first time kong i-drive yung family na nakasakay sila sa akin sa tricycle. Hindi ko na ikukwento sa kanila yung nagmamotor ako nung araw. So unti-unti lang nila nadidiscover yon na marunong ka mag-drive ng tricycle? Marunong ka pala magmotor?
Batanes! Kahit saang anggulo, ang ganda mo!
Isa pa sa picturesque destination dito sa Batan Island, ang Naidi Lighthouse.
Smile, guys! 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. It's hard to explain. I have fear of heights too. Oh, I'm so fearful. So, when I went up the lighthouse, I just held na lang. Sabi ko, okay, just don't look down. Pero, the view was so nice. If the view is nice, then I guess, it's worth it.
So peaceful, ang maingay lang dito si Joren.
It was actually fun and good because all of us got to, share the same happiness in that trip to the lighthouse and in the lighthouse. So you were able to experience it with your family is a good thing. It's very, very memorable for all of us.
A complete family plus a magnificent sunset equals a perfect groovy!
Mahilig siya na mag-picture, pero parang lahat kami mahilig din mag-picture. Pero si Cassie din yung, kasi nga nagba-vlog siya, so meron siyang dalang camera.
Itchinay Kumo Batanes!
We are so ready for another day of fun and adventure.
Ready na kami pumunta sa Sabtang Island.
Maverick, anong tawag dito sa sasakyan natin?
Ang tawag dito ay Palua.
Ang biyahe daw mga 30 to
40
45
minutes.
minutes. Let's go!
Let's go, Cassie.
Ay! Oh my God. Asa dito? Di ba natataob?
Kasi nga, diba hindi nga ako marunong mag-swimming. So anything na may kinalaman sa tubig, nagpapanik talaga ako at naninervyos ako. Tapos nung nalaman ko pa na walang kate,
Wait, ba't ba hindi tayo pantay?
Basta kasama ko yung family, lagi akong natitense. Dahil pakiramdam ko, paano kung tumaob, anong mangyayari sa amin? So, pagdating sa ganyan, medyo meron akong pagkapraning.
Huwag po tayong magyabang.
Hindi ako mayabang, ganyan ko lumangoy, no?
No, ibig sabihin...
Sorry!
Sorry. Hindi ka pwedeng magyabang na hindi ka magsusuot. Safety first.
Ba't hindi kasha? You know, right? Wala pa talaga, hindi kasha. O kailangan masigit talaga.
My mom gets hilo easily because she took medicine before we rode the boat. So medyo natitense siya. So she's always at the back. Parang basta yung may shade, tapos she's always holding on to something.
After 30 minutes of bumpy boat ride, nakarating na kami sa Sabtang Island. Ay! Oh my gosh.
It's time to check what this island has to offer.
Baka makaistorbo tayo dito, ha?
Ikaw na.
Okay.
Hello po! Good morning po sa inyo. Ay, thank you po!
Na-practice ko nila yung traditional na sayaw ko dito sa Batanes. Kasi lagi po namin nasayaw pagka may mga programa.
Wow!
Tawag ng dance nito.
Pandango Ibatan po.
Pandango Ibatan. Kasi Ibatan po yung tawag sa inyo po, di ba? Sa mga tao dito, Ibatan.
Yan ang culture dance talaga dito? Mahirap ba matutunan yan ng kambal?
Madali lang po. Gusto niyo pong matutunan?
Oh, sige,
Kayo,
tutunan
kids.
niyo.
Sige po.
Kailangan namin matutunan ang sayaw na ito dahil mamaya may recital kami. Pressure!
Mahihain talaga silang mga bata. Hindi mo talaga sila masasabi na showbiz ng mga bata. Siguro nagkataon lang na showbiz dahil showbiz yung mga magulang nila.
Baka ma-develop kayo sa mga partner nyo, ha? Walang ganun, ha? Sayaw lang yan.
Ayan, turo na muna yung first step sa kanila.
Definitely new to both of us because the type of dancing we do is actually very different, because this traditional dance, it's very new to us, It was very exciting to learn these new dances, Sometimes you have to go out of your way talaga to learn certain new things.
Sinasayaw ang Fandango Ivatan tuwing may okasyon tulad ng kasal o birthday. Kaya elementary pa lang tinuturo na ito sa mga batang Ivatan.
Stage mommy mode! Go twins! Pero parang mas doble ang pressure sa akin.
I suggest na tourists who visit should learn the dance as well. Yun lang, it's also part of their culture. So it's fun to learn.
Mamaya daw, magkakaroon sila ng final performance. Sana makayanan nila. We will see.
When in Batanes, mas kompleto ang trip kung aaralin ang Vakul and Kanayi making.
Saan po natin yung Weavers Association. So, makikita po, tuloy po kayo.
Magpapaturo kami, Kuya Manny, paano gumawa ng vakul.
Opo. Kasi nandito po yung mga lola natin, yung mga member po ng Weavers Association, si Lola Milia at saka si Auntie Letty.
Batanes Trivia. Ang Vakul at Kanayi ay ang nagsisilbing proteksyon ng mga Ivatan sa araw at ulan.
Ano po ba ito, Nay? Wiwi. Wiwi?
Vuyavuy.
Ay, Vuyavuy. Vuyavuy. Vuyavuy.
Ipipino po
Susuklayan
yan.
po, parang susuklayan po.
Opo.
Hanggang makino siya.
Hanggang sa pati.
At ingat lang po ma'am, kasi matalas po yung pakong yan na pang pino ng dahon.
Susuklayan lang po.
Opo.
Ay, pako nga! Imagine mo kung tusuklayan mo sa buhok.
Oh my God.
Dumadugo pa yung ulo na yun.
Gusto ko nakipag-usap sa mga lola. Gusto ko malaman yung buhay nila kasi dati na nabubuhay yung lola ko. Sobrang tiyaga ako nakipag-usap sa kanya. Gusto ko nagpapakwento ako ng buhay nila, nung dalaga pa siya.
Wow, parang sinisira nyo yung dahon. Kailangan may lambing ata pang suyod
Ayun.
Gaano katagal po gawin yung Vakul?
Isang linggo yung malaki. Manumanong paggawa.
Nola, ilang taong kayo nagsimula niyang paggawa ng bakul?
Nung dalagita pa ako. Parang kailan lang po, ano?
700 to 800 pesos ang presyo ng Vakul. 1,000 pesos naman ang Kanayi at tumatagal ito ng 3 to 5 years.
Marami na akong nakukuha.
I thought at first a certain millennial wouldn't understand or enjoy what they were doing, but you know, it's very intriguing for me.
Sa tingin mo, Han, gaano mo katagal mo ma-master yan?
Siguro pagpasko na, master ko na. Kasi mahirap, sula yan eh.
Para sa complete experience, susuotin din namin ang creations ng Sabtang Weavers Association.
Vakul and Uvok for the girl. Kanayi and Talugon naman for the boys.
Heads up sa mga taong madaling malula dyan gaya ko. Hindi para sa atin ang susunod na activity.
Yung mga ganung bagay, ako yung number 1 praning. So, papanik pa lang doon, sinasabi ko na sa kambal, hindi, walang magzi-zipline. Hindi ako sasakay.
Hindi ko rin kaya to. Ano ba to? Hindi ko na makita yung cable pababa.
God, it's so... God, it's so far. Hindi ko to kaya.
Hindi talaga ako adventurous. Si Zoran dati adventurous yun, ewan ko na kung bakit. Naging nervyoso na rin yata siya.
It's time to prove na ako ang adventure seeker ng family. Ako na ang unang susubok. Ah! Okay.
Wow! Wait lang ah, huwag muna. Sit lang. Are you okay?
I think it's normal for everyone to be scared at first, you know, but once you try it, once you accept na kaya mo, it's actually gonna be a fun experience for you.
Super fun, super thrilling, pero first experience, guys. Woo! Hello, your son is alive.
Worth it!
Super fun, worth it. You'll die, joke lang. Super worth it. Yung first part lang, but after that, wow.
Face your fears!
Oh my God!
Mafia again was my tester. So when he was in the end, we talked through a walkie-talkie. So I asked him, how was it? And he said, oh my gosh, it's fun. It's the best ever. So there's nothing to be afraid of. Just do it. You know, it's also, it's a new experience.
Can everybody count? I need a cheer squad!
You can do it, baby girl!
2!
Dahil fearful ako, especially fear of heights, I tried ziplining so that I can face my fears naman.
Takot ako. Sabi ko, wait! Tagal ako dyan, Mab, sa waiting.
Ziplining in Batanes is definitely worth a try. Are you there?
Is it?
Oh my goodness! I was scared for nothing!
Good for you!
You should try it, please! Please try it!
Okay na kami sa inyong dalawa. We're proud of you guys.
Ako, hindi ko na hinangad dahil baka atakin ako sa puso. Medyo malayo yung hospital dito, kaya nag-relax na lang kami ni Carmina.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I should have done the, ano yan, Superman? Oh my gosh!
Please, the next time, pagbalik natin, magpunta man tayo mag-road trip, alis sa Taiwan, meron.
Dahil naubos ang energy namin kakasigaw, lunchtime muna!
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Pananayan Canteen. Oo, ang ibig sabihin daw ng Pananayan ay hintayan.
Hintayan. Ano yun, hihintayin natin yung order or
Hindi, para ayan na yun. Nakikita ko na. Sweet and sour lapu-lapu.
fishball? Isda talaga siya.
Sabi nila natin, pinakbet. I love gulay! Yay! Ay, gusto namin to. Oh, huwag kang iinom. Ay, huwag kang iinom dyan, please. Ay,
Tayo
gusto
lang naman eh.
No! No! Ayan na yung baso, ayan na yung baso. Ay, Diyos mio. Oo nga. Puminsan pasaway to si Zorin. Pero I love being with them.
Ano, kakain na tayo.
Thank you, Lord, for this food. Okay.
Thank you.
Whether I'm full or whether I'm super hungry, I eat. So they are actually very happy to enjoy the meals we had in front of us.
Excited ka ba sa sayo mo mamaya, Cassie?
Dahil na-stress ako ng bonggang-bongga sa zip. Alam ko na ba't ka natulala eh. Sa zipline yan eh.
Ano mas nakakatakot, yung cliff diving or itong zipline?
Yung zipline.
Zipline.
Bakit? Mabilis ba yung andar?
Galit-galit muna. Nanamnamin muna namin ang Ivatan cuisine.
Tuwing sinasabi nila sa amin na parang model family kami o role model yung yung pamilya namin. Of course, very thankful, masaya ako. But at the same time, parang nakakanerbiyos. Normal lang po kami mga pamilya. Kagaya din kami ng ibang pamilya dyan. Nagkakaroon din kami ng tampuhan, may mga away-away din kahit paano.
Nag-practice na agad ang kambal pagkatapos naming kumain. Sobrang focus ha?
From the time that we learned the steps, throughout the whole day, Mavi and I were always rehearsing para we can perfect the dance somehow.
Ito na ang much-awaited performance namin ni Cassie. Sa Sabtang Lighthouse pa ang location. It's so lit!
Thank you! Palakpakan din natin sila! Yay! Ako naman, every time they perform, every time they dance, every time they do something, ganun naman yata talaga mga magulang, whether maliit na bagay, malaking bagay, talagang sobrang proud na proud ako. Kasi parang kahit ano pa yan, achievement na yan para sa akin.
Let's take a stroll through the street of Barangay Sabitug.
Na-amaze ako kasi like I said, no, mahilig ako sa mga old houses, mahilig ako sa old cities. Feeling ko nga old soul ako eh.
Napansin ko nga sa lugar na to, tahimik sila
Super
at saka
tahimik.
malinis.
Opo. Kasi
Malinis.
po, ang mga bawat pamilya po dito, kahit nung sinauna pa po, dapat ang harap ng bahay ninyo, lilinisin mo, wawalisan.
Dapat naman talaga
Kahit yung mga
ganon.
bakanting lote po ay nililinis po.
Dapat naman ganun hanggang sa ngayon. Sana hindi lang ho dito sa Batanes, sana kahit sa Manila.
Yes.
Kahit sa ang parte ng mundo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, di ba
Yes
ganun?
po,
Kung ano
ma'am.
yung nasa tapat ng bahay nyo or nasa loob ng bahay, you start in your house.
Yes po.
Pasok tayo.
Ito.
Ay, Diyos, tao po. Parang ang daming gagamba dito, ha.
Dito, kuya, ang lalaki ng mga kusina. Pag mainit, mainit. Dito po kasi semento, pero pag malamig, malamig po.
Ma'am, dito po sa atin sa Batanes, ang Ivatan House po ay kapag nasa loob kayo, pagka mainit, medyo malamig ng konti.
Kasi po ba to?
Dahil bato po at hindi po yan na napepenetrate ng init na agad. At kapag taglamig naman po, medyo warm po yung loob ng bahay po natin.
Ano yun?
Hindi nga, nagandahan lang ako
Hindi, bakit parang may laman yung loob? Parang merong tao sa loob. Ay, bagay sa loob.
Ano yan?
Hindi, parang may insect, wala? Ikaw lang ang nag-usog?
Ako nga, inusog kong ganun. Ayoko naman kunin ka agad. Pero backpack nga kasi nakita ko may string, oh. May ano? What the
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm really like scared of spiders. That's like number one. Compared to bees, that's number two. Number one, spiders. So I didn't want to be near it at all. So of course I ran out of the place. What the heck?
Oh my God!
I hate spiders, I'm telling you.
Ayun na naman yung dialogue niya.
Oh.
Mabait naman eh. Yun nga, ito yung backpack.
Si Maverick, nagmana sa nanay niya pagdating sa mga matatukotin sa mga insekto, gagamba, konting lumilipad na ganyan. Kasi kami nung maliliit, hinuhuli pa nga namin yung ipis.
Why do you all...
Prankster. He's like the prankster of the family.
Okay, binili to ni Mang Manny, halika Cassie, para souvenir kay Cassie. Ayan, see? Yung sa school mo, pag mamamalengke ka, ganyan.
Dapat walang spiders,
Ayan,
ha?
ito, dali.
No!
Okay. Salamat ka kay Mang Manny.
Thank you very much.
Para makabawi kay Mrs., susuyuin ko muna siya. Throwback style.
Oh, irog ko. Tayo'y maligo sa ilog doon. Huwag natin isama ang kambal. At ako'y iyong sabunin. Ulo hanggang paa.
What? Ganyan man ligaw dati.
Really?
Ganyan ako.
The way they made ligaw before is different from how they make ligaw now. So my mom was telling me earlier about how they make ligaw na the boy stays outside your house, tapos he'll call out for the girl mo na, tapos he's gonna serenade the girl.
Huwag ka nang mahiya sa iyong mga anak. Sapagkat sila'y alam din na tayo'y sabay maligo.
Nahiya siya doon sa sinabi niya.
Oh my God!
Yes, even though on cam, off cam, he's still the same person, you know. He's super makulit.
Tanggapin ko. Oh, nakakatawa yung mga hirit niya, diba? Yung parang, ano na naman to? Kasi, kung ano na naman ang mga hinihirit-hirit niya. Pero natutuwa din ako sa kasi parang, paano mo naiisip yung mga hirit na ganyan?
Anong panama ng ibang love team? #Zokar for the win!
O, bilisan mo na, bumaba ka dyan. Kanina pa ako ang init-init dito eh. Halika na, maligo na tayo sa ilog.
Diyan ka na! Bye!
Bye.
Definitely idolize them because, you know, they're not afraid to show their love for one another, you know. I think confidence is key.
Our final spot sa aming itinerary ay ang natural rock formation, ang Ahaw Arc na nasa Morong Beach.
Everything was perfect. It was the scenery, tapos the wind, tapos nasa beach, and everything was calm and laid back.
I'll start na lang, but this is for the two of you na. Thank you for taking this adventure with us. Para kayong Batanes eh. you adapt easily?
Si Maverick, tinetrain ko bilang isang leader. Kaya minsan mas mahigpit ako kay Maverick because I want him to have that attitude na leader attitude. Kaya Maverick, just be true to yourself. It's up to you kung ano gusto mong gawin in the future. But make sure you make the right decision. Kasi gusto niyang mag-college sa ibang bansa. Medyo kami ng mga magulang hindi sang-ayon doon. But we will discuss about that. Okay, Maverick? Love you, man.
Of course, it's very hard on my parents. You know, I'm gonna be, if ever I do continue to pursue that dream of mine to study abroad, I know I don't just think about myself, you know, about these things. I also consider my parents' feelings, you know.
Thank you, honey, for making me feel I'm single. You know, yes, that's good. What I mean by that is, hindi, kasi yung ibang asawa sasakalin yung husband. Ibig sabihin, minsan dinumero ang kilos ng isang asawa. Si nanay ninyo, pinababayaan nyo akong maging ako.
Thankful for the both of you because you raised Mavi and I well. You know how to love. Wow, that's the one. And so for Mavi, it's good to have a twin because baka sobrang cheesy to. It's like having a best friend. Oh,
Mavi's gonna cry.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this as a whole for you and Tatay. You guys are always there to respect me for who I am, and I really thank you guys for that. And for always supporting me with my goals. And sometimes when you see it's forced to me, you guys pull out and just say that, you know what, you just gotta be you. And with Cassie, it helps me a lot to relax and just calm down, just chill.
So thank you.
Thank you.
And did you have fun with this trip? Are you looking forward to more road trips?
more road trips, please.
Yay!
Traveling with your family, it makes the relationship more solid.
Sa angkin mong ganda, lahat kami sa'yo'y napahanga.
Truly an amazing place for the family.
Batanes, we will never forget you.
3 wonderful days, 2 memorable nights. Batanes, maraming salamat. From the Legaspi family, see you in our next road trip.